Mass layoffs, quiet quitting, toxic bosses. In the world of work, we're at an inflection point. A global pandemic turned our work life upside down. 810 tech companies laid off 211,630 employees so far in 2023, according to layoffs.fyi. Right now, 60% of employees, 64% of managers, and 75% of the C-suite are seriously considering quitting for a job that would better support their well-being. That's according to Deloitte's second annual Well-Being at Work survey just released. So now you may be asking yourself, what do I really want out of life? How does my career fit into that? What is my right next step? Maybe it's time for you to recalibrate. The Recalibrate workshop is your starting point. It's a place to gather with people just like you, people who are asking the same questions. Together, we'll take a look at where you are in your career and where you want to be. So, take some time for yourself. Push pause, get your bearings, recalibrate, and feel good about where you're going. Join us for the Recalibrate workshop on Saturday, July 8th from noon until 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Reserve your spot today.